Hey there, welcome to today's video, where we dive into a very interesting problem involving a 32-bit Windows XP guest and a massive 8TB GPT partition. The problem at hand revolves around whether this Windows XP guest can interact with this behemoth of a partition as a VirtualBox shared folder. Quite the challenge, right? Now, let's talk about the solution to this conundrum. The key lies in understanding that disk-related limits don't really apply in this scenario. Why, you ask? Well, that's because the Windows XP system isn't directly accessing a physical disk. Instead, the drive letter in the guest is mapped to a UNC path that mimics a network share on the host machine. This essentially means that the VM is interacting with the shared folder using a file-oriented protocol, bypassing any restrictions or limitations the guest OS might have in terms of disk size or partition type. It's all about cleverly leveraging VirtualBox's processes to sidestep the usual barriers. In summary, the problem of a 32-bit Windows XP guest grappling with a colossal 8TB GPT partition is elegantly solved by VirtualBox's shared folder functionality. By abstracting the actual disk access and routing it through a network like share, the guest OS can seamlessly read and write data to the behemoth partition without even realizing the technical complexities at play. And with that, we've cracked the case. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below. Until next time, keep exploring those tech puzzles with a creative twist.